So Parrikar has been always commanding, and whatever he decides for himself, he has been deciding. He never listens to his family or even his close ones. So I feel that he must have taken a personal decision that he wants to go back to Goa. So it is for him to decide whether he wants to leave, where, what, which I cannot comment. So it is for him to decide whether he wants to come. So he has decided must be that he wants to come to Goa. So that's his decision.
ऐसा और थोड़े दिन दिल्ली में रहना चाहिए ऐसा।
अरे पर्सनल डिसीजन जो उसका पर्सनल डिसीजन मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, वो उसका उसका अरे मैं जब देखा उसको बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा तरह से बात किया, स्पोक टू मी वेल एंड एवरीबडी स्पोक टू। सो अभी उसका डिसीजन रहेगा कि गोवा में आके आना है बस।
Mind you, there will be a heavy fine if you find drinking from month of August. We are declaring the notification. I intend to do it before August so that we can implement it from 15th August. Same way, littering will also have a very heavy fine. And plastic garbage dumping, police is already doing the job, but the fine is only 100 rupees. It is going to be 2,500. So littering and throwing garbage can be very costly, and I think that is the only way we can sometimes bring the importance of public responsibility to the focal point. I think these are things which also should be understood, and I request EDC to ensure that CSR activity for the city, when there are bottles being not only drinking but bottles are put in those stones. In that the protection slope which has been done along the river, in the gaps between the stones, glass bottles are being pushed in. Now this is dangerous. It can cut someone's foot.
How is the Josh? How is the Josh? So I will transfer my Josh to you.
मैंने क्लियरली बोल दिया, एयरपोर्ट पे भी मुझे लोग मिले थे, उनको भी बोला। माई प्रोग्राम टू दिल्ली वॉज फाइनलाइज 2-3 days back. I had some meetings. I went in the morning by 10:30 flight, came back by 7:30 flight. There is no question of meeting anybody. The stories were planted to such a level that they said that I have joined the party, I am addressing the press conference in Delhi. It appears that they were planted by vested interest. What purpose, I don't know.
But any offer is BJP का कुछ offer?
I had told long back, last time also they said, somebody had said that I'm in Delhi when I was actually in Goa. I'm addressing a press conference. This type of rumors are floated. And if मागा कोणाची offer ना.
So what about situation in the present situation? Because the CM has CM गया, ये हो गया, उसका वजह से अभी नया CM के लिए आप लोग नाम गवर्नर को दे रहे हैं।
We have to discuss no first. You have to see, you have to see the numbers. You have to see everything.
So कांग्रेस का sources आ रहा है कि दिगंबर कामत पहले का नंबर।
I am least bothered. I am least bothered about the leadership and chief ministership. If it is in my destiny, God has written it here, nobody can take it. This is my policy. So I don't care.
गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री, भारत सरकार के पूर्व रक्षा मंत्री और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता आदरणीय मनोहर पर्रिकर जी का आज दुखद निधन हुआ। ये हम सभी के लिए बहुत ही दुखद इस प्रकार का समाचार है। मनोहर पर्रिकर जी एक उच्च शिक्षित लेकिन जनता के नेता थे, जन सामान्यों के लिए उन्होंने हमेशा काम किया। वे भारत माँ के सच्चे सपूत थे। गोवा की राजनीति में उन्होंने राजनीति का एक नया स्तर कायम किया। नेता प्रतिपक्ष के रूप में, मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में उनके कार्यों को गोवा कभी भुला नहीं सकता। गोवा में जिस समय आयाराम गयाराम की राजनीति चलती थी और लगातार सरकारों पर भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप होते थे, ऐसे समय एक युवा मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में उन्होंने गोवा को एक स्थायी सरकार तो दी, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ एक पारदर्शी और काम करने वाली सरकार दी। आधुनिक गोवा के निर्माण में मनोहर जी का जो योगदान है, ये कभी भुलाया नहीं जा सकता।
Present circumstances have prevented me from delivering a detailed budget speech, but there is a Josh that is too high, very high, and I am in Hosh, fully in Hosh.